Hello children, in today's class we are going to see the word problems on capacity. First question is on the blackboard. Just read. Rohan bought 5 liter to 50 milliliters of milk from one dairy, 3 liters 750 milliliters of milk from second dairy and 4 liters 500 milliliter of milk from third dairy. How much milk did he buy in all? Have you got the question? Have you understood the question? So from 3 places who Rohan bought the milk. Okay, first dairy, second dairy. Dairy means dairy farm where so many cow is there. Okay, so that we call it as dairy farm. Okay. So from there, from 3 places he have bought the milk. Now what we have to find out, how much milk did he buy in all? From all 3 farms, what is the total quantity of milk he bought? Are you able to do this? What process we have to do, children? Total quantity. How much milk did he buy? In all, there is a word, in all, together. How much quantity of milk he bought? Okay. Now, shall we write the statement? Now, how to write the statement? You can write milk bought from first dairy or quantity of milk bought from first dairy. Okay. Now, we can write milk bought from first dairy. How much is equal to 5 liters to 50 milliliter. Okay, in the same way from second dairy, how much he bought? Milk bought from second dairy is equal to 3 liters 750 milliliters. Now from the third one, how much he brought, children? 4 liters 500 milliliters. Okay, milk bought from third dairy. How much it is? 4 liters 500 milliliters. Now what we have to find out? How much milk did he buy in all? Therefore, total quantity of milk bought in all, if you want, you can write is equal to, we have to add all these 3. We have to add all these 3. Now, shall we add it? 0 plus 0 plus 0, 0. 5 plus 5, 10, 1 carry, 3 plus 7, 10 plus 5, 15, we have to carry the 1, 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 3, 9, 9 plus 4, 13, 13 liters, 500 milliliters of milk he bought from all 3 dairies together. I hope it is clear, children. Okay, only while arranging here also, while adding you have to get full, plus writing the units also you have to be careful. Shall we see the next one? Yes, children, your second question is on the blackboard. Just read. A drum contains 9 liter 200 milliliter of diesel. 3 liter 475 milliliters of diesel is taken out from the drum. Find the quantity of diesel left in the drum. What is the question says? In a drum, 9 liter 200 milliliters of diesel was there. Okay, from that 3 liter 475 milliliters of diesel is taken out. Then what is the balance? Or what is the left out in that drum? Shall we start doing? Okay, now tell me what is the first statement? First statement is quantity of diesel in a drum. How much, children? 9 liter 200 milliliter. Now next, how much they have taken it out? How to write? Quantity of diesel taken out. 3 liters 475 milliliters they have taken out. Now, what is the final statement? See here, the final statement. Therefore, quantity of diesel left in the drum. What we have to do, children? What do we have to do? We have to subtract, isn't it? 9 liter 200 milliliter minus 3 liter 475 milliliter. Shall we subtract and see? Okay, we have to write the unit first. Liter, milliliter. No. 9 liter 200 milliliter. What is the next one? 3 liters 475 milliliter. Shall we subtract? Now we have to borrow. Now it is going to be 19, 10. Okay, 10 minus 5, 5, 9 minus 7, 2. Again we have to borrow. It is going to be 11. 11 minus 7, sorry, 11 minus 4, 7. 8 minus 3, 5. How much is the balance, children? 5 liters. 5 liters, 725 milliliters. Clear, children? So the balance we will see in the next class. Okay. Thank you.